Oh, I didn't see you there. But now that I have you heard what's happening on April 15th? Hi, my name is Avril. I'm the Diversity and Inclusion Officer with Ballina 2023. And in collaboration with the Ballina Arts Centre, we are hosting Out on the Moy. We are so thrilled to be able to invite Glória LGBTQI Choir all the way from Dublin and our very own Rejoice Gospel Choir here in Ballina, who will share the stage for an evening of spectacular and uplifting music and song. And there may even be a little after-show party in the Ballina Manor. This is a community-wide event, and by community, I mean you, and oh, the person at the back there. Everybody is welcome. So check out the details in the caption below, or log on to the Ballina Arts website, get your tickets today, give them a ring, say we sent you, and come join us for a fantastic evening of song and music. And let's raise the Arts Centre like we know this great Ballina community can do. See you there.
Hope you're doing well. We are busy getting ready for our concert in Ballina this year, our first time being on tour since COVID. We're in Ballina in the Arts Centre on Saturday the 15th of April. Tickets are on sale already, and get them because they're going like hotcakes. Here's a little sample of what's to come.
Oh, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel that heat with somebody. Yeah, I want to dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Book your tickets fast. QR code is on all the promotions. Don't miss it. You'll regret it.
Hi folks, Amanda Goonan here, Director for the amazing Rejoice Gospel Choir Ballina. We are so excited for our upcoming gig Out on the Moy. It's taking place on Saturday the 15th of April in the Arts Centre with the amazing Glória Choir coming all the way down from Dublin. Tickets are going to sell like hotcakes. They're already flying out the door. So make sure you get in there, get your tickets and come and join us for an amazing night of music and celebration. Here's a little taster of what we have in store for you on the night.
My soul, down in my feet, I feel your spirit all over me.
Hello everyone, my name is Danny and I'm a member of the Rejoice Gospel Choir, and we're so excited to welcome you to the Out on the Moy event in the Ballina Arts Centre on the 15th of April with Glória Choir. We hope you enjoy and buy tickets as they're out now.